Now in this lesson we're going to look at operations with functions and composition of functions. Given the two functions at the top of the page, f of x and g of x, let's look at the operations with functions, in this case being addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. I have the theorems written out. F plus g of x is f of x plus g of x, so forth and so on. So following that, we'll take the first one on the left, f plus g of x, and so that equals f of x plus g of x. So we just simply rewrite what we have at the top, 3x squared minus 4 plus, and then 4x plus 5. So if you have anything you can combine, you want to simplify, the answer is going to be 3x squared plus 4x plus 1. The second one is a minus, so you do the same thing, 3x squared minus 4 minus, and then always put the g of x in parentheses so you can change the sign properly. So now let's change the sign, 3x squared minus 4 minus 4x minus 5. So the answer is, after we simplify, 3x squared minus 4x minus 9. Multiplication, f of x is 3x squared minus 4. G of x is 4x plus 5. So in this type of situation, we will FOIL these. The first number would be 12x cubed, and the outer would be plus 15x squared. The inner numbers would be minus 16x, and then the last numbers would be minus 20. Since there's no further simplification there, that would be your answer. The last one's f of g, so we write the function of f of x over the function g of x, 3x squared minus 4 over 4x plus 5. And one other thing, since we have a denominator, you have to find out what number makes that denominator 0. In this case, it's negative 5 over 4. So x cannot be equal to negative 5 over 4. Any other x will do, just not negative 5 over 4. Why? If we plug that in, it gives us a 0 in the denominator. The last one is called composition of functions, and I've written out the theorems for those. We have two functions at the top. We're going to look at f composition g, which is f of g of x. And then the last one, the second one is g composition f, which is g of f of x. So let's do the first one, f of g of x. So we're going to do f of 5x minus 6. Notice the 5x minus 6 is our g of x. Now we're going to take that and plug it in for the x's that we have in our f of x. So that will be 2, let me rewrite that. 2's got to be outside parentheses. 2 times 5x minus 6 squared minus 3 times 5x minus 6, and then plus 8. So we have to figure out what 5x minus 6 squared is. That's going to be 2 times 25x squared, and that's going to be a minus 30 and minus 30, so the minus 60x, and then plus 36, and then the minus 3, we can go ahead and distribute that, 15x plus 18 plus 8. So now let's go back and distribute our 2. So that would be 50x squared minus 120x plus 72 minus 15x plus, and 18 and 8 is 26. So now we simplify 50x squared minus 120x and minus 15, so it's going to be minus 135x, and 72 and 26 is plus 98. So that's going to be f composition g. Now g composition f, we're going to do the same thing except in reverse. So I'm going to g of f of x. So let me erase this. g of f of x would be g of 2x squared minus 3x plus 8. So we substitute that for the x and g of x. So it'll be 5 times 2x squared minus 3x plus 8 minus 6. So distribute the 5. 10x squared minus 15x plus 40, and then a minus 6. So simplify 10x squared minus 15x plus 34.